How are you feeling now? Where's most of your pain? Right in the sternum, okay. Are you feeling short of breath as well?
Oh, yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
Okay. We'll get 5 and Morph on board, get him off the board and get out of Dodge.
Ready, set, go. And out.
Sorry, mate, sorry. It's pretty clear that he's got a significant injury. George may well have a collapsed lung. Try and give us a big breath. Oh. Sorry, mate.
Sorry, buddy. Yeah, I know, mate.
A collapsed lung can be fatal. Al's getting ready to intervene if he needs to relieve the pressure in George's chest.
I'm doing a little bit of work preemptively, drawing on his chest, on the possibility that I'm going to stick a needle in his chest, which is about that long.